Because gracious living does not stop at the sink, Whitehaus Collection has added a new dimension to bathroom design with Townhaus Collection. Live with style. Inspired by quaint New England towns, the Townhaus Collection toilets feature our exclusive Magic Flush 1.6-gallon quiet performance system. IAPMO flushing standard requires 75 0.1-ounce balls or 2 4-ounce tubes. Townhaus Collection, featuring Magic Flush, accepts 500 0.1-ounce balls. That's 53.6 ounces. This represents 600% more flushing power, with no floaters or returns. The Whitehaus Collection Townhouse Suites feature A+ grade china, 35 to 45 millimeters thick, so smooth and shiny it is practically glass. This means 0% absorption. There is nowhere for bacteria to cling, resulting in a more hygienic water closet experience. A 3-inch flapper is a standard across the collection, even in our most modestly priced models. The fully glazed dropway means clog-free confidence for the consumer. Magic Flush includes 360 degrees of high-pressure bowl cleansers. More bowl cleansers than any other brand. Now you too can enjoy a one-flush peace of mind with Magic Flush.